Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Element creation, and then we make labels, line segment data, attach table to Karo and line and segment. Now the main thing is remaining super elevation. It's a very important factor in the road. We must know about this and we must follow the standard for to calculation of super elevation. For this, here if I click on the alignment and go to design criteria, from here you may know this, from here this unit in display size alignment. From alignment this minimum radius table, if I click here, this following ASHTO 2000, this one 4% slope. Here in Saudi we are valuing 6% slope for super elevation, and for super elevation 6% slope, this maximum the speed according to the radius. If I go to here, which book we are following here, highway design manual, this volume 2, there are 5 volumes, volume up to 5. The first 3 about this road structure, and the 2 per safety and signboard, the last 2. So if I go there and I go to 155 page, you can see there is table effect upgrade on stopping side distance and crest vertical care. This is per profile. So if I go to forward, this is the curve data, horizontal curve, and here if I see the table minimum radii for super elevated curve. So this maximum super elevation rate is for the 6%. Suppose if our design speed is 90, I must put the radius of the curve between this 250 to 335. Like this, I must follow this. So if you are working here, you must change this. You can change speed, you can change from here, and manually you can adjust this data according to your standard. Same like if I click the super elevation attachment, if I click here, what is inside, it will show me here. This is the formula in the super elevation table. Anything I want to check is inside there. This is the table. So from the design criteria editor, you can change editing this widening. Suppose you have standard, so you must change your table according to that standard, which standard you are following. For the profile is also, but we will make now. We will only just check this one where alignment, because we are working on alignment. In profile we will make profile, we will come here and we will check what is inside. Okay, so now if I click on the alignment, there is in the upper menu bar is a super elevation, and if I click on super elevation, calculate, edit calculate or edit super elevation, I click here and it's asking for calculate supervision now or open the supervision curve manager. Okay, I will open this one. Click it, asking about the what type of road is our. So you must check before for calculating super elevation for the alignment. You must know what type of road you are following, making. From the cross section you will know, you open your typical section and from there you will know what type of road you are following. So the next, here they are asking, so this tick is for a symmetric roadway. On both sides you will work, you will put make changes in one side and the other side it will be same. And suppose my lane is 3.65 meter and the normal slope is minus 1.5%, and this the lanes. The next, for the shoulder, outer shoulder, calculate. Also if you have shoulder, calculate this. Okay, for the next, here you can select from here. Suppose I am following the ASHTO matrix super elevation 6%, so I will change this is the 2 lane or the 4 lane, and the standard. And transition formula for super elevation routed is from here you can change your formula. And this is the most important here, the curve smoothing. Apply curve smoothing, and the last one, automatically resolve overlap. Where in which place there is overlap, it will resolve the result that issue. Sometimes it's coming like they are crossing each other. If you have short distance, so they are crossing each other, and then click finish. When you are click finish, the table will appear. From this table you can manually adjust it where you want. Suppose if you want to change this look, you can change adjust it from here. You can change this is the table showing you. In this table you can export this table also to Excel. Like if you click here, export super elevation data, you can export from here. You can also import from here, and you can adjust from what super. Sometime if you need less super elevation, so you see here the maximum super elevation is 6%, because we use the maximum 6% elevation criteria, so it is following the 6% super elevation. So and this 6% is almost in the curve area. Where there is curve in the normal, there is minus 1.5% slope. Okay, so now here if I check here, the road is same symmetric, both side is 1.5%. From here it's starting the transition. And if you can see from this point, there is a maximum super elevation on the right side and the left side. The left side is plus 6%, and on the right side there is one, because we are coming from this side, so this side is right side and this side is left side. So from the right side you can see minus 6% is here. From the zero is here, because I change the direction of my alignment. So from here you can see now this normal road both side, and from this area this starts in transition. If you want to change this transition, suppose you want to take from a more distance for your transition, click on here and go, and then this edit this edit bar, and you can adjust your here from this station speed. You can adjust it already it's showing this calculation. So like this you can attach your super elevation to your alignment. Okay, this was today video about the super elevation. Okay, thank you.